Officials are urging people to stay off the roads.
We're expected to get between 12 and 18 inches, up to 2 inches falling every single hour.
I ask people to stay off the roads, okay, as best you can. Please stay off the roads.
What a beautiful day. A lot of people dread days like these in Northeast Ohio. They told us to stay off the roads. We got level 3 snowstorm, 13 inches of snow, and most normal people just inside all cozied up. There's people like me who've been waiting on a day like this to bring out the big boy toys. So let's tear it up, shall we? All right, for those of you who do not know, this green thing behind me is my 1982 Ford Bronco. Last year, I completely restored it. I started in winter, then I ended it in about fall. It took me a full 8 months to build this thing. And I'll throw a couple pictures. This thing was rough, the roughest Bronco I've ever had to restore in my entire life. And now we're gonna drive this thing on salty Ohio roads. So I'm gonna try not to die inside a little bit and cry myself to sleep. But the snow's coming down so much, the pot trucks can't even keep up. So the roads are just complete snow. There's hardly any salt on the roads because, like I said, they can't keep up with it. So we're gonna make our trek on some Arctic roads here in Ohio and see what we get into today. I kind of can't believe I'm doing this right now. I am driving my fully restored 82 Bronco. I spent all year on driving it in this crap. But it's a Bronco, it's what it's meant for. Tesla. It's only good day for us driving that Bronco, isn't it? Nothing but a breeze for old girl. Good day, Ossifer. Hey, it's got 5% tin on that bad boy. This guy just disappears. There we go. Guys, the Bullnose is doing fantastic in the snow. As you see, we have a ton of freaking snow out here. It's like 3.5 feet deep.
Oh yeah, oh crap.
We got a man down, the snow's taking out my dad. But we're gonna...
Oh, that hurt.
The Bullnose with the Mickey Thompsons are doing absolutely fantastic. It kind of sucks I don't have a posi in this, so I'm rocking full drive everywhere, so I can't do as many drifts and stuff on the main roads, but out here in the fields and stuff, we can have a dang good time. loves that. This is what this thing is made for, baby. Ain't no street queen princess. My red one is, but not this one. That was freaking awesome.
We got one of those in here.
Where'd my turbines go?
You got full like center lines now.
That's like the 1552 wheels, the Ken Block wheels, the all white. KB forever. RIP 43. No, it's funny. It's the coldest weekend, the most snowy weekend we've had in years. And we're out here playing in Broncos and having a bonfire. God bless America, baby. Broncos and bonfires.
The whole family out here.
In my childhood seat and my skateboard.
I think that one's Rucky's seat.
Yeah, but I spent a lot of time in that.
Both of y'all
Me
have.
too. That's the seat out of a 79 Bronco we call Ruckus that he's had since 99.
All right, one more for old time's sake.
And this,
Have a seat,
yeah,
boys.
hop right on up. There she is. And this seat is out of my 87 Bronco. Poor dent side in here. Bullnose is outside doing its thing, what it's meant for. This thing just in here, covered in dust. This thing's begging to get out.
Let's get it out right now. Hold on a minute. Oh, I don't have battery.
I don't have a battery. The reason you don't have a battery in this is because it's in my white OBS I bought off of him that I'm trying to sell as in the previous video. So. Guys, this thing did incredible. Exactly a year ago, we played in the fields at my parents and stuff. It was before I touched this thing. It was just the body panels hanging off. There was like no core panels at all. I'll throw a couple videos and pictures and whatnot. This thing looked totally different a year ago. If you guys haven't seen the full restoration on that, be sure to look back previously this year at some videos. I have a full restoration on this thing, start to finish. Like I said, it looked totally different last year whenever I did this, but it felt so weird driving this thing on the road. I've never driven a fully restored Bronco in salty Ohio roads, so that part kind of gonna make me cry at night, but that's what these things are built for. I'll take this thing to work after the snow and stuff gets off the road a little bit. But I literally have icicles hanging off my frame. So, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe to Justin's Customs. And if you're going to be looking for me, I'll be crying myself to sleep thinking about this thing. But I do like the new turbine wheels. That's kind of cool. New addition. I think there's some turbines under here somewhere. There they are. I'm regretting that. That's very cool. Like, subscribe to Justin's Customs. We'll see y'all later. Look at my icicles I have from my exhaust melting in the snow and then dripping and freezing. That's hilarious.